Namaste. Welcome to IDA International Online Festival Season 2, Param, supported fully with the power of Om School of Dance from Kerala. Thank you to one and all of you who has been with us, supporting, encouraging every artist, liking, sharing and talking about it. It means the most at this time. Today, I am rather privileged to introduce another beautiful dance form, traditional classical dance form of India, Kuchipudi. From a beautiful state, Andhra Pradesh, from a village called Kuchipudi, this dance form finds its root, again, as with all other dance forms that we have been presenting, Natya Shastra. Now, the beauty of this traditional classical dance form is that it also has been coagulated well by those gurus who follows the doctrines of Advaita Vedanta. Tirtha Narayana Yati and the disciple Siddhendra Yogi brought this form to what is available today. And of course, many gurus have contributed and has formed this beautiful dance form to what it has come of today's times. Today, we have beautiful artists who will be presenting, and we will have a guru who will be speaking about the form. But just a throw of what is commonly seen is that this form follows the Bhagavata Mela, and they also have the tradition of all-male troupe, or they used to have the tradition of all-male troupe dancers in this form. Every dance form revolves and evolves and goes through a renaissance and then comes out to what is available today for each of us to enjoy, to really understand its essence. Today, we would like to offer our pranams to one such guru who has been contributing much to this field, Guru Manikuntala Sambashiva Garu, who we have lost to this pandemic COVID-19. And tonight's performance, we offer it as our pranams, as our offering to his soul. Thank you all so much. Do enjoy the show. And let me remind you, we have more days ahead of us. Please keep supporting. Please keep encouraging. Dear friends, it's an honor to invite Guru Vaijayanti Kashi to give us an insight into Kuchipudi.
Congratulations, Dr. Ratish and Sandhya, for the second online festival that you're organizing from the All India Dancers Association, happening from 10th to 16th July. It's nice to know that you're presenting many dance forms featuring many young and senior artists, and I'm happy that you have Kuchipudi for 2 days. I know you're doing a good work with your choreographies and with festivals, and also you're performing quite a bit that I see on Facebook. We need young, energetic dancers. Good. Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is a form that has fascinated me. You know, it's the only dance form that takes its name from the village where it started. There are many Kuchipudis, the name Kuchipudi, in Andhra, but this particular village, Kuchipudi, which is in the Krishna district, is known for its dance, which is so dynamic, so graceful, so lyrical. And we read that it was, all of us know, that it is inspired by the Sanskrit dramas. Later, it became Yakshaganas. Then it became Kalapams. And today, it's so popular as a solo form. It started off as a Sanskrit dance drama. Then it, bloomed as a Yakshagana with all the essence of Natya. It got enlightened with such philosophical subjects like Golla Kalapam or Pindotpatti or Atma Yagna Kalapam. And today it is embellished with the solos. You just can't say it's so dynamic, it's so graceful, it's so lyrical. I, as a Kuchipudi dancer, would say it has so much of depth. To be a Kuchipudi dancer, you have to have a good knowledge of Sanskrit. You must be a good actor. You must be a good singer. More than all, you must know how to touch the hearts of your audience. That is to evoke rasa in your audience. And do you think this is an easy job? It's nice. It's nice that you have a slender body, you can jump, you can do a rigorous nritta. But the purpose of any art is to evoke rasa in the Sahridaya. For that, to evoke rasa is not easy. You have to dedicate your life for it. Many years of sadhana, and then you will know how to journey inside. Dance is all about journeying inside. You start off from the external, the technique, the Chaturvidhabhinaya, the Mukhajabhinaya, all this fine. But after one point, get deeper. And only when you get deeper, the lotus begins to bloom. The lotus in the heart, and when the lotus in the heart blooms, the lotus in the audience heart blooms. So, understand its depths, try to live the nativity of the land. Then it was just a village, and that village is something very special. You know why? Because it is surrounded by Srikakulam, which hosted 300 dancers. On one side it has Movva, which is the hometown of the great Kavi, writer Kshetraya, who wrote beautiful padams, and all style of dancers are using it. On another side, we have Ghantasala, the musical place, and it's the very ambience. From Hanumantapura we have this Pagati Veshalu. So the village itself has that essence. That's why they say, when you're born in a particular land, you take the qualities from the land. She is your motherland. And then you're surrounded by trees, by people, by nature, which speaks these arts. That's what you need to do. When you learn this form, it is the Bhakti cult which promoted Kuchipudi. It was when they wanted to personalize and talk with God that the Bhakti Marga they chose, and Kuchipudi is an outcome of that Bhakti movement. So, any dancer, when she has that Bhakti, which is not easy, it may be Bhakti towards Guru, it may be Bhakti towards the art form, it may be Bhakti for the life, the dance begins to bloom. You're lucky you're Kuchipudi dancers, and I wish you success. But every time you dance, remember you have a great responsibility, because in a way, dancing is educating your audience of the form that you do. All the best. Grow to be beautiful dancers. Congratulations.
Our next performer is Rekha Satish, a versatile Kuchipudi artist of this generation, a performer, teacher, choreographer, and yoga practitioner. She mastered the art for the last 3 decades. Her initial training was at Kuchipudi Art Academy, Chennai, and later on from Guru Srimati Manju Bhargavi. Rekha is a CCRT scholarship holder at the age of 15. She is a graded Doordarshan artist, empaneled Spik Mackey and Roots to Roots artist for the last 2 years. She is also an empaneled artist of Ministry of Culture for abroad festivals in duet and group category. Rekha has won many awards and performed in major festivals like Khajuraho, Uday Shankar Festival, Hampi Utsav, Mysore Dasara Festival, Lasya Utsav Hong Kong, Surya Festival, and many more. She has judged various festivals and competitions. To name a few, Kerala Samajam competition in Bahrain, Hidden Idol dance competitions, Chennai and Bangalore, All Kerala Medical College dance competition in Calicut, and so on. Rekha presented Adityam, a dance production on Lord Surya, for the Surya Festival, Kerala. She was chosen as ambassador for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, girl empowerment advertisement. Some of the awards that Rekha has received so far include Nritya Shiromani, Nritya Vilasini, Rangashri Puraskaram, Satyabhama Award, Nritya Kaumudi, and many more. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Rekha Satish, Director of Nrityankura Foundation, Bangalore.
Namaskaram, this is Rekha Satish, a Kuchipudi artist from Bangalore. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this online dance festival which is hosted by IDA. I personally would like to thank IDA for giving me this opportunity to be a part of the series. I would begin my presentation with a Swati Tirunal Kriti. This item is in praise of Lord Shiva and the dance is choreographed by myself.
Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Omkaravakyam Uragapungavad Bhushitangam Vyagrajina Varadharam Jatilam Kailasabhuta தி தங்க தரிகடதக ததிங்கின தக்க ததிங்கின தக்க திக்கு ததிங்கின ததி தங்க தரிகடதக ததி தங்க தரிகடதக தை தங்க தரிகடதக ததி தங்க தரிகடதக ததிங்கின தக்க ததிங்கின தக்க திக்கு ததிங்கின शंकर श्री गिरी नाथ प्रभु शंकर श्री गिरी नाथ प्रभु शंकर श्री नाथ प्रभु शंकर श्री नाथ प्रभु
traditional Kuchipudi item. This item is in praise of Goddess Durga. In this item, the dancer depicts the story of Goddess Durga killing the demon Mahishasura. Durga Tarangam is set in Shanmuga Priya Ragam and Aditalam, dance choreographed by my guru, Srimati Manju Bhargavi.
Gama सा सरि गरि सा सरि सनि దని దని ద పదని ద ప గరి గ మ పద పదని పదని దని స గరి సని రి స గరి గరి సని ద రి స ని ద వ సా ని సని ద ప మ గ మ ద ప మ ప బ బ ని ద వ ద పద సని ద ని ద ని రి స మ పద పదని ద ని స ని సని గ జయ జయ దుర్గే చితవైరి వర్గే 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 వియదని లాది విచిత్ర సర్గే 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 జయ జయ దుర్గే చితవైరి వర్గే జయ జయ దుర్గే చితవైరి వర్గే సుందరతర చరణారవిందే సుఖ పరిపాలిత లోక భృంగే 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 నంద సునందాది యోగివాది నారాయణ సోదరి పరానందే నంద సునందాది యోగివాది నారాయణ సోదరి పరానందే నంద సునందాది యోగివాది నారాయణ సోదరి పరానందే జయ జయ దుర్గే చితవైరి వర్గే జయ జయ దుర్గే చితవైరి వర్గే సరసమణి నూపుర సంగత పాదే సమధిగతాఖిల సాంగ వేదే సరసమణి నూపుర సంగత పాదే సమధిగతాఖిల సాంగ వేదే సరసమణి నూపుర సంగత పాదే సమధిగతాఖిల ನೂಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮಧಿಗತಾಖಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೂಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮಧಿಗತಾಖಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೂಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮಧಿಗತಾಖಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ
ತತ್ತುಂ 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 ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತರಗಿಡದಿಂ ತತ್ತುಂ ತತ್ತುಂ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತತ್ತಿಂ ತತ್ತುಂ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತಕ್ಕತುಂ ತತ್ತುಂ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತತ್ತ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತಿಕ್ಕ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತ
ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೂಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮಧಿಗತಾಖಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ
ತಜ್ಜಂ ತದಿತ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತದಿತ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕತ ತ ತಿ ತಿ ತತ್ತುಂ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತತ್ತ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತದಿತ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತದಿತ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕತ ತ ತಿ ತಿ ತತ್ತುಂ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತದಿತ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತತ್ತ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತದಿತ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತತ್ತ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ಕಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ತಾಂ
ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೂಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮಧಿಗತಾಖಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೂಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ
ಸಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ತತ್ತ ಸಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ಸಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ತತ್ತುಂ ತತ್ತುಂ ಸಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ತತ್ತ ಸಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ಸಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ತತ್ತುಂ ತತ್ತುಂ ಸಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ತತ್ತ ಸಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ಸಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ತತ್ತುಂ ಸಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಂ ಸಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ದಿಗ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ದಿಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ದಿಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ದಿಗ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ದಿಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ದಿಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ದಿಗ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ದಿಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ದಿಂಗಡದಕ ತರಗಿಡದಕ ದಿಂ
ಸರಸಮಣಿ ನೂಪುರ ಸಂಗತ ಪಾದೆ ಸಮಧಿಗತಾಖಿಲ ಸಾಂಗವೇದೆ ನರಕಿನ್ನರವರ ಸೂರಬಹುಗೀತೆ ನರಕಿನ್ನರವರ ಸೂರಬಹುಗೀತೆ ನಂದನುತೆ ನಿಖಿಲಾನಂದ ಭರಿತೆ ನರಕಿನ್ನರವರ ಸೂರಬಹುಗೀತೆ ನಂದನುತೆ ನಿಖಿಲಾನಂದ ಭರಿತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಚಿತವೈರಿವರ್ಗೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ದುರ್ಗೆ ಚಿತವೈರಿವರ್ಗೆ ಅಂತಯಲಯ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದಲತಿಕೆ ಆಲೋಲಮಣಿಮಯ ತಾಟಂಕಧನಿಕೆ ಅನುದಯಲಯ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದಲತಿಕೆ ಆಲೋಲಮಣಿಮಯ ತಾಟಂಕಧನಿಕೆ ಅನುದಯಲಯ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದಲತಿಕೆ ಆಲೋಲಮಣಿಮಯ ತಾಟಂಕಧನಿಕೆ
Our next performer is Miss T. Reddy Lakshmi. She is a passionate Kuchipudi artist and performer based in Delhi and presently learning under Padma Shri Guru V. Jayarama Rao. She is an empaneled artist of the ICCR, MOC and SPIC MACA and a Doordarshan graded artist. She is a recipient of Indira Priyadarshini's Award in the category of Dance and Sahitya Kala Parishad Scholarship. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss T. Reddy Lakshmi.
Namaskar, I'm T. Reddy Lakshmi, Kuchipudi exponent from New Delhi and a disciple of Padma Shri Guru Jayarama Rao ji. I'm happy to be part of this festival initiated by Shri Ratish Babu ji. I'll be presenting a Javali of Shri Dharmapuri Subbaraya in Ragam Kannada and Rupakatalam. In this Javali, Vinayaka expresses her deep displeasure on finding the news between her lover and another woman. She tells her Sakhi that it is enough and she does not want to hear from him anymore. She also says that he is always seeking her company and she cannot bear the Cupid's arrow of love anymore. She says that I sent my friend to bring him, but he did not come back to me. So she asks him to go away from her home. So this is a choreography by Guru Jayarama Rao ji. And because of the quarantine and lockdown, I do not have a proper place to record this video. But I try to do my best within the space available to me at this moment. And I hope all of you will enjoy this Javli. Thank you so much.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा.
Our next performer is Miss Shweta Nayak. Shweta is a disciple of Natya Chudamani Dr. G. Ratish Babu. She started her dancing career at the age of 6 and had her arangetram in the year 2003, and then mastered the art forms of Kuchipudi and Mohiniyattam as well. She has completed her diploma, bachelor and masters in performing arts from Khairagad University. Shweta has been receiving remarkable positions in many national level competitions as well as compliments for her performances. Her dedication has made her achieve the senior scholarship from the Ministry of Culture, Government of India in the year 2013. She has also been awarded with several prestigious awards from government as well as renowned cultural associations such as Gopi Krishna National Award, Nalanda Nritya Nipuna, Natya Kala Chatura, Padmavati Pratibha Puraskar, Natya Mauktika, and many more. She has given various solo, duet, and group performances throughout India and abroad, among which the major ones include Chakradhar Samaroh, Devadasi Festival, Tirupati Temple, Kinkini Festival, Nalanda Nrityotsav, Raindrop Festival, Times Samskriti Arts Festival, and many more. Recently, she has performed in the ICCR series of performances, Festival of Bharatanatyam 2019 at Malaysia, Bangkok, and Vietnam, hosted by the Government of India. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Shweta Nayak.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar. I am Shweta Nayak, a Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi dancer from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, disciple of Guru Dr. G. Ratish Babu. I extend my heartfelt thanks to IDA and Om School of Dance for making me a part of IDA International Festival Season 2, Param. Today, I am going to present two famous Partha Pravesha Daruvus of Kuchipudi repertoire. First being the Pravesha Daruvu of Satyabhama, the very beautiful and proud wife of Shri Krishna and daughter of King Satrajit. This dance is taken from the famous play of Bhama Kalapam and is choreographed by the legendary Guru Padma Bhushan Vempati Chinna Satyam sir. This is set to Ragam Ananda Bhairavi and Talam Mishra Chap. This will be followed by Vedalera Vayyarulu, a Partha Pravesha Daruvu of a Devadasi named Devadevi, who is shown enhancing her beauty and proceeding towards the forest to see Saint Vipranarayana in order to fulfill all her desires. This is taken from the play Vipranarayana Charitam and is set to Ragam Kedara Gaula and Talam Adi. I hope you like the presentation. Thank you.
Saganam, tad தீம் எண்ணத்தும் தீம் தக்கிட்ட தத்தோ கிடதக தரிகிடதும் ததீம் தக்கிட்ட தீம் தக்கிட்ட தத்தோ கிடதக தரிகிடதும் தாக்கிட்ட ஜம் தரி தாக்கிட்ட ஜம் தரி தாக்கிட்ட ஜம் தரி தத ததி என்ன தாக்கிட்ட ஜம் தரி தாக்கிட்ட ஜம் தரி தாக்கிட்ட ஜம் தரி தத ததி என்ன தாக்கிட்ட ஜம் தரி தாக்கிட்ட ஜம் தரி தாக்கிட்ட ஜம் தரி தத ததி என்ன
இந்தினே சாவதினே இந்தினே சாவதினே மருதாந்தினே விரிவதினே 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 ಜಾನತನಮುನ ಸತುಲನೋ ನೆರಜಾಲೈ ವೆಲಿಗೇಟಿದ ಜಾನತನಮುನ ಸತುಲನೋ ನೆರಜಾಲೈ ವೆಲಿಗೇಟಿದ ಜಾನತನಮುನ ಸತುಲನೋ ನೆರಜಾಲೈ 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 ವೆಲಿಗೇಟಿದ
ding ding tadikinnatum takatadikinnatum takatiku tadikinnatum tadikinnatum takatadikinnatum takatiku tadikinnatum tai kiradakadagidum kiradakadagidum takatiku kiradakadagidum
అందమున ఆనందమున గోవిందునకు నెరవేరునై 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 నన్ననాదను ఎందుగానక నెంతమందునకు కూచున్న నన్ననాదను ఎందుగానక నెంతమందునకు కూచున్న నన్ననాదను ఎందుగానక నందనందను ఎందుగానక నందనందను ఎందుగానక నందనందను ఎందుగానక నెంతమందునకు కూచున్న కామనే సత్యకామనే
takatinatum takatinatum tatsitta tadatsitta ta ta kiradakadagidum tatsitta tadatsitta ta ta kiradakadagidum tatsitta tadatsitta ta ta kiradakadagidum
கூறிமே சராஜிது புதுரை இந்தரினோன 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 ನಾದು ಮಗನಿನಿ ಬಾಸಿ ನಟಿದರ ನಾದು ಮಗಲಿ ಬಾಸಿ ತಾಳ ಶಾಲಕ ನಟಿದರ ನಾದು ಮಗಲಿ ಬಾಸಿ ನಾದು ಮಗಲಿ ಬಾಸಿ ನಾದು ಮಗಲಿ ಬಾಸಿ ನಾದು ಮಗಲಿ ಬಾಸಿ ತಾಳ ಜಾಲಕ వెడలేరవయ్యారును వెడలేరవయ్యారును వెలనారు వెడలేరవయ్యారును వెలనారు వెడలేరవయ్యారును వెలనారు వెడలేరవయ్యారును వెలనారు వెడలే వెడలేర వయ్యారును అలమౌని విరి తోట వైపు గుడి తాటి 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 అలమౌని విరి తోట వైపు వెడలేర అయ్యారును వెడనారును వెడలేర అయ్యారును ఒక్కసారి రాయల్చల కొసవరి నడకల ఒక్కసారి సారంగిల వడి వడి పరువుల ఒక్కసారి రాయల్చల కొసవరి నడకల ఒక్కసారి సారంగిల వడి వడి పరుగుల ఒక్కసారి రాయల్చల కొసవరి నడకల ఒక్కసారి సారంగిల వడి వడి పరుగు ఒకసారి చిరుగాలి ఊగేటి లతమూలే ఒకసారి చిరుగాలి ఊగేటి లతమూలే ఒడలోగా జడలోగా రాజధారి బ్రహ్మచారి కోటలు ఒకసారి చిరుగాలి ఊగేటి లతమూలే ఒడలోగా జడలోగా రాజధారి బ్రహ్మచారి కోటలు వెడ్డలేర అయ్యారును వెలనారు వెడలేర అయ్యారును ఇరు చూపులిరువైపుల కొలువ గంటలల్ల అల్ల నవ్వు తవలింపల తెలివెన్నెల జల్లగ ఇరు చూపు తిరువైపుల కొలువ గంటలల్ల అల్ల నవ్వు తవలింపల తెలివెన్నెల జల్లగ ఇరు చూపు తిరువైపుల కొలువ గంటలల్ల అల్ల నవ్వు తవలింపల తెలివెన్నెల జల్ల పులికేమో వపు జౌవ నపు మిస్సిని సొగస 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 ఒయ్యలిల్ల బయలుంచ రాజధాని బ్రహ్మచారి తోట పులికేమో వపు జౌవ నపు మిస్సిని సొగస ఒయ్యలిల్ల బయలుంచ రాజధాని బ్రహ్మచారి తోటకు వెడ్డలేర అయ్యారును వెలనారును వెడ్డలేర అయ్యారును వెలనారు వెడ్డలేర అయ్యారును వెలనారును వెడ్డలేర అయ్యారును వెలనారును వెడ్డలేర అయ్యారును వెలనారు వెడ్డలేర అయ్యారును
Our final performers for today are Miss Ardra Sunil and Miss Ekta Sunil. Ardra and Ekta both have been learning Bharatanatyam for the last 15 years under the able guidance of Guru Shri Dr. Harshan Sebastian, and Kuchipudi for the last 8 years under Shri Sajesh Tamarasheri Sir. Both have participated in Kerala State School Kalolsavam for the past 5 years and have won prizes for Kuchipudi, folk dance, Kerala Nadanam, group dance and Margam Kali. Ardra was awarded with the title Kalatilagam in the year 2016. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Ardra Sunil and Miss Ekta Sunil.
Namaste, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
My name is Ekta Sunil
And I'm Ardra Sunil and we are from Calicut, Kerala.
We are the disciple of Sri Sajesh Tamarasheri Sir.
So today, at first, we'll be performing a traditional piece, Brahmanjali, followed by
a Kirtana about the goddess Saraswati, Ragam, Saraswati and Talam Adi.
So we humbly thank IDA as well as Home School of Dance for giving us these great opportunities.
Hope you all enjoy our performance.
Thank you so much. Namaste.
కిణకు దగ ధీ కిణంగు దగ తరి కిణంగు దగ కిడక దరి కిడదం కిడక దరి కిడదం కిడక దరి ధిం తట్ట జడ్ తట్ట జడ్ జిన్ తట్ట జడ్ తట్ట జడ్ దం తట్ట జడ్ తట్ట జడ్. గురు బ్రహ్మ గురుర్విష్ణుః గురుర్దేవో మహేశ్వరః గురుః సాక్షాత్ పరబ్రహ్మ తస్మై శ్రీ గురవే నమః. సభాకల్ప తరుర్భాతి సభాకల్ప తరుర్భాతి వేద శాఖోపశోభితః శాస్త్రపుష్ప సమాకీర్ణ విద్వద్భ్రమర సంయుతః బ్రహ్మాంజలి తాండవ నృత్య స్రష్టగుప్తీయాంజలీలాస్య కేళనాలోలగు బ్రహ్మాంజలి తాండవ నృత్య స్రష్టగుప్తీయాంజలీలాస్య కేళనాలోలగు బ్రహ్మాంజలి. భక్త్యంజలి సిద్ధయోగీంద్ర సత్కవికి భక్త్యంజలి సిద్ధయోగీంద్ర సత్కవికి నృత్యాంజలి నాట్య కోవిదవరులకు నృత్యాంజలి నాట్య కోవిదవరులకు బ్రహ్మాంజలి తాండవ నృత్య స్రష్టకు దివ్యాంజలి లాస్య కేళనాలోలకు బ్రహ్మాంజలి. శుభము శుభము సాహిత్య పరులకు శుభము శుభము సంగీత విదులకు శుభము శుభము నాట్యానుమోదులకు శుభము శుభము సర్వజనాళికి శుభము
विमलासन संस्थिते हे श्वेताम्बरावृत मनोहर मञ्जुगात्रे उद्युन्मनोज्ञ सितपङ्कज मञ्जुलास्ये विद्याप्रदायिनी सरस्वती नौमि नित्यं नौमि नित्यं नौमि नित्यं
dim 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 tataka tam gardaka tarikirtaka taka tam gardaka tarikirtaka taka taka janutam tadim dim tataka tam gardaka tarikirtaka taka tam gardaka tarikirtaka taka taka janutam dim dim tataka tam gardaka tarikirtaka tadim dim tataka tam gardaka tarikirtaka tadim dim tata dim tata tadim dim tata dim tate dik tangartaka tarikirtaka taddi tangartaka tarikirtaka tajam takitta tagdarikirtaka tajam takitta tagdarikirtaka tajam takitta tagdarikirtaka tam
नर्तयतु मम मेधामादे गद्यपद्य स्वरूपिणि वाणी नर्तयतु मम मेधामादे गद्यपद्य स्वरूपिणि वाणी मुग्धालङ्कृत दिव्यशरीरिणे मूलमन्त्र स्वरूपिणि देवी मुग्धालङ्कृत दिव्यशरीरिणे मूलमन्त्र स्वरूपिणि देवी नर्तयतु मम मेधामादे गद्यपद्य स्वरूपिणि वाणी मुग्धालङ्कृत दिव्यशरीरिणे मूलमन्त्र स्वरूपिणि देवी नर्तयतु मम मेधामादे मूकहितकारिणी निशाचररसने विलस वाग्रूपिणी मूकहितकारिणी निशाचररसने विलस वाग्रूपिणी मूकहितकारिणी निशाचररसने विलस वाग्रूपिणी लोकहितकारिणी निशाचररसने विलस वाग्रूपिणी लोकहितकारिणी निशाचर
ತತ್ತರಿ ದಣ್ಣಂ ದಣ್ಣಂ ತಾಹ ತಕ್ಕೆಡತಕ ಜಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ಜಂ ದೆಕ್ ತಕ್ಕುಂ ತರಿಕ್ಕು ದಣ್ಣ ತತ್ತರಿ ದಣ್ಣಂ ದಣ್ಣಂ ತಾಹ ತಕ್ಕೆಡತಕ ಜಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ಜಂ ದಿಕ್ ತಕ್ಕುಂ ತರಿಕ್ಕು ದಣ್ಣ ಧಣ ಧಣತ್ತ ಜಣು ಜಣುತ್ತ ಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿತ್ತ ತತ್ತತ ಹತ್ತತ್ತ ತತ್ತ ಹತ್ತತ್ತ ತಾಕ್ಕಿಟ ಕೆಡತಕ ಜೈ ಕಿಟ ಕೆಡತಕ ತಳಂ ಕುದತ್ತಿಕ್ ತಕದ ದಿಗಿಡದಂ ತಳಂ ಕುದತ್ತಿಕ್ ತಕದ ದಿಗಿಡದಂ ತಾಂಗ್ ತಾಂಗ್ ತಕ ದಿಗದ ದಿಗಿಡದಂ
ಜಲರೂಪಿಣಿ ಜಲಜಾಕ್ಷಿ ಸತತಂ ಹಾಸಿದಿಗಂಧೆ ಜಯ ವಿಧಿಕಾನೆ ಜಲರೂಪಿಣಿ ಜಲಜಾಕ್ಷಿ ಸತತಂ ಹಾಸಿದಿಗಂಧೆ ಜಯ ವಿಧಿಕಾನೆ
ಓಂ ಮಹಾಜ್ವಾಲಾಯ ವಿದ್ಮಹೇ ಅಗ್ನಿಮನ್ಯಾಯ ಧೀಮಹಿ ತನ್ನೋ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಪ್ರಚೋದಯಾತ್ ಓಂ ಮಹಾಜ್ವಾಲಾಯ ವಿದ್ಮಹೇ ಅಗ್ನಿಮನ್ಯಾಯ ಧೀಮಹಿ ತನ್ನೋ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಪ್ರಚೋದಯಾತ್ ಓಂ ಮಹಾಜ್ವಾಲಾಯ ವಿದ್ಮಹೇ ಅಗ್ನಿಮನ್ಯಾಯ ಧೀಮಹಿ ತನ್ನೋ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಪ್ರಚೋದಯಾತ್
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನಂದಿನಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾನಂದಿನಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಭಜತೆ ಭಾರತಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನಂದಿನಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾನಂದಿನಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಭಜತೆ ಭಾರತಿ ನರ್ತಯತು ಮಮ ಮೇಧಾಮಾತೆ ಗದ್ಯಪದ್ಯ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ವಾಣಿ ನರ್ತಯತು ಮಮ ಮೇಧಾಮಾತೆ ಸಂಗೀತರಸಿಗ ಪ್ರಿಯೇ ದೇವಿ ಸರಸಿಜ ಸಂಭವ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಪ್ರಿಯೇ ಸಂಗೀತರಸಿಗ ಪ್ರಿಯೇ ದೇವಿ ಸರಸಿಜ ಸಂಭವ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಪ್ರಿಯೇ ಭಾವರಾಗ ಭಾವರಾಗ ಸಗಮಬನಿ ಸಗಸ ಭಾವರಾಗ
ತರಿಗಿಡದಂ ದೇ ತರಿಗಿಡದಂ ತೌ ತರಿಗಿಡದಂ ನಂ ತರಿಗಿಡದಂ
ಸಗಸನಿ ಬನಿ ಸಗ ಭಾವರಾಗ
ತೊಂದು ಕೆಡತಕ ತರಿಗಿಡದಂ ತಾ ತೊಂದು ಕೆಡತಕ ತರಿಗಿಡದಂ ತಾ ತೊಂದು ಕೆಡತಕ ತರಿಗಿಡದಂ
ಭಾವರಾಗ ತಾಳ ಪ್ರಿಯೇ ವಂದೇ ಭಾರತಿ ಭವದಾರಿಣಿ ಭಾವರಾಗ ತಾಳ ಪ್ರಿಯೇ ವಂದೇ ಭಾರತಿ ಭವದಾರಿಣಿ ಭಾವರಾಗ ತಾಳ ಪ್ರಿಯೇ ವಂದೇ ಭಾರತಿ ಭವದಾರಿಣಿ ನರ್ತಯ